Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating your Only Way account and verifying your email. This establishes identity and access. Next, start a new project and pick the unscripted workflow template so the app structures prompts and recording automatically. Grant microphone and camera permissions now, because once you start recording, you don't want interruptions. Make sure to set language and time zone so timestamps and transcripts align correctly, and name the project clearly so collaborators find it fast. You now capture content using the live prompts. They nudge conversation without scripting it. Adjust cue timing to keep flow natural and record multiple short takes instead of one long pass. This simplifies editing. Add markers during recording for standout lines so you can find them later. Enable auto-transcription and keyword tagging to convert speech into searchable text. This speeds review and allows you to assemble a coherent sequence from unscripted material. You finish by trimming clips and assembling the best takes into a narrative sequence. Focus on pacing and emotional peaks to keep viewers engaged. Apply light noise reduction and minimal color grading so the footage looks consistent without overprocessing. Export using the preset matching your destination, web, mobile, or broadcast, and double-check captions. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and resync your project. If that fails, re-import the raw clips and rebuild the sequence from your markers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.